Hello, in this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on OnePlus Nord CE 5. So you have to start by pressing power button and volume up button to open your power menu. And then select power off. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume down button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And you can let go of power button when you see your logo on your screen. And you are now in recovery mode, and here you have to select your language and then press power button. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.